If you're a plumber or run a plumbing business and looking for an easier way to manage everything from scheduling to invoicing, Housecall Pro might be the tool you need. In this video, we're diving into how to use Housecall Pro for plumbing businesses, and by the end, you'll understand why it's an essential tool for streamlining your operations and boosting your customer service. Stick around to learn about the features that can save you time and help your plumbing business run more efficiently. First off, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one business management software designed specifically for home service businesses like plumbing. One of the key features is the scheduling tool, which allows you to manage appointments easily. You can view your whole day at a glance, assign jobs to specific technicians, and even set up reminders. This keeps everyone on the same page, helping you avoid double bookings and ensuring you're always on time. When it comes to dispatching, Housecall Pro helps you send work orders to your team instantly. Once a job is booked, a technician gets an immediate notification with all the details they need. This eliminates paperwork and communication bottlenecks, making everything run much more smoothly, especially when you're dealing with a team that's constantly on the move. But it's not just about scheduling and dispatching. Housecall Pro lets you create professional invoices and quotes on the spot. Whether you're at a job site or in the office, you can generate and send these documents to clients instantly via email or text. This feature cuts down on time spent on administrative tasks and speeds up the payment process. Tracking payments and managing finances is another crucial part of running a plumbing business, and Housecall Pro makes this easier with built-in payment processing. You can accept payments online or in person with a mobile payment option. This means your plumbers can get paid on the spot after completing a job. No need to wait for checks to clear or for clients to call in to make payments. The software also integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks, allowing you to sync financial data with your accounting software. This integration is a huge time saver for business owners who want to keep everything in one place and avoid the headaches of manually entering financial information. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is another area where Housecall Pro excels. It stores all your client data in one easy-to-navigate place. You can view customer history, track previous jobs, and make notes about their preferences or special requests. This feature helps you deliver a more personalized service and fosters better client relationships, which is key to getting repeat business. For business owners who want to track their team's performance, Housecall Pro also provides analytics and reporting tools. You can monitor technician productivity, job profitability, and even customer satisfaction. These insights help you identify areas for improvement and maximize your bottom line. Now, for those of you watching, I've got a special offer. You can try Housecall Pro completely free by using the link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you get access to extended features and additional trials, helping you get the most out of the software. Before we wrap up, remember that Housecall Pro isn't just about saving time on daily tasks. It's about growing your plumbing business and improving your overall customer experience. With all these tools in one place, you're setting your business up for long-term success. So go ahead and check the link below to start your extended free trial of Housecall Pro today. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever ran your business without it.